Tell me if this sounds like you. You study English, you watch videos, you understand the words, but when it's time to speak, everything freezes. Your heart beats fast, your mind goes blank, and the sentence you want to say just disappears. If this happens to you, you are not alone. Millions of learners feel exactly the same way. But don't worry. Later in this video, I'll show you an easy daily trick to start thinking in English and speak more naturally. By the way, welcome to my channel. Here, we learn English together in a simple and friendly way. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. Okay, let's go back to today's topic. Maybe you understand a movie scene. For example, someone says, "What did you eat for lunch?" In your head, you know the answer in your own language. Maybe it's, "I ate pasta." But first, your brain makes the sentence in your language, then it tries to change every word into English. And while you translate, the moment is gone. The other person is waiting, you feel nervous, you stop, and finally you just smile or say a very short word, like yes. It's not because you are bad at English, it's because your brain is still thinking in your first language. It's completely normal. Every learner goes through this. Your brain is just used to thinking in your first language, and it needs some gentle training to start thinking in English naturally. The good news is, this is something we can change step by step. And I'm going to show you exactly how.
Step 1. Name things around you and use simple sentences.
Step 1 is very simple, my friend. Look around you. What do you see? Maybe a cup, a book, a chair? First, just say the word in English. Cup, book, chair. That's perfect. Small steps. Now let's take it a little further. Try to make a simple sentence with each thing. For example, this is a cup. This is a book. This is a chair. See? Just 3 little words, but your brain is already practicing English. Now, let's describe them with a simple sentence and 1 or 2 small adjectives. For example, this is a big cup. This is a red book. This is a small chair. You see, just adding 1 little word like big, red, or small makes your sentence richer. Try it with things around you. This is a soft pillow. This is a cold drink. Every time you do this, your brain practices thinking in English naturally. Now, let's try a powerful practice called English in the moment. This method helps your brain think in English while you live your normal day. You don't need a book, a teacher, or even a notebook. Just this moment. Simply notice what you are doing and how you feel. For example, I am drinking cold water. I am thirsty. I am opening the big door. I am tired. I am walking to the small kitchen. I feel lonely. Don't worry about being perfect. Just notice your actions and feelings and say them in English. The more you practice this, the more your brain will start thinking in English naturally. Step 3. Using English media to immerse yourself. The idea is simple. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. When you watch, listen, or read English every day, your ears, your eyes, and your brain start to get used to the sounds, the rhythm, and the flow of the language. The best part? You get to choose what you love. Maybe a movie, a song, a podcast, or a short video about a topic you enjoy. Pick something that makes you happy or curious. And here's a fun trick. Choose a short piece of it and try shadowing. Repeat exactly what you hear. Don't worry about mistakes. Just copy the flow, the tone, the rhythm. Step by step, unconsciously, your brain becomes familiar with the natural flow of English. You are training your mind and your mouth at the same time without even thinking too hard.
Step 4. Use an English journal or notebook. This step is practical. Writing in English every day is a very powerful way to train your brain. When you write, even just a few sentences, you force your brain to think in English. Start with simple things about your day. For example, today I woke up early. I drank coffee and felt happy. I went for a short walk. Then add how you felt, what you thought, or what you liked. I felt tired but excited. I really liked the sunny weather.
Writing also helps you reinforce new structures and grammar naturally. You don't need to write long essays. Just a few sentences are enough. Over time, you'll notice that you can express your thoughts faster and more clearly. You can even write about your dreams, your plans, or something funny that happened. The important thing is to write regularly and enjoy it. Your notebook becomes a safe space to make mistakes, try new words, and see how much you're improving. Remember, there's no need for perfection. Writing is about practice, learning, and expressing yourself in English naturally.
Step 5. Speak with real people.
Now we reach the final and most powerful step. Speak with real people. Up to now, you've been training your brain, learning words, and practicing by yourself. But real English is alive. Conversations move fast, people react, and every moment is different. If you only practice alone, your brain stays in a safe zone. To truly think and speak like a real English speaker, you need real conversations. It's the only way to feel the speed, the surprise, and the fun of natural English.
The good news is that today it's easier than ever to meet people for free. You can use language exchange apps like Tandem or HelloTalk to chat or voice call with native speakers. You can join online forums like Reddit language communities or Discord servers where many people want to practice English together. You can participate in language groups on Meetup or Facebook to find learners in your city or join online events. You can even use social media or local clubs to connect with friendly English speakers.
Start small, grow naturally. You don't need a long, serious talk. Start with one friendly message or a short voice chat about something you love. Movies, music, food, hobbies, travel, anything. Mistakes are 100% okay. Everyone makes them. The important thing is to listen, respond, and enjoy the moment. Every little chat trains your brain, and step by step, you'll speak faster, more naturally, and with real confidence. If you liked this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Your support helps me create more videos to make learning English fun and easy for everyone.